$109. The bottom of the big bowl. And you got another small lid for the smaller bowl, which put that down in your big lid. $1 at REI or online. So there you go. Alright, here's a real quick video kind of put together for my brother Brian, because he was asking to take a look at this little camp cookware setup that I got for my car camping or overlanding, whatever you want to call it. But when I go out with the family, they want to be comfortable and want some luxury items. If I'm hunting or camping or whatever and it's just me, I live out of a backpack. But this is for the tundra, the car camping setup, so the family can enjoy the great outdoors too. And this is the GSI Bugaboo camp set. It retails at $109, and it's a 4-place setting and a couple pots and a skillet. It's all nested into this nylon waterproof case that acts as a wash basin for your gear. When you get done using it, you can fill that up with water and a little bit of soap and use it to wash your pots, pans, your cups, and whatnot. So the first thing that goes in here is the big bowl. I don't have the specs on this right now. This is just really an impromptu video for my brother, but big lid also fits on the skillet there. But first thing that goes in there is this bigger bowl. And then the next thing that goes in there is you got a 4-place setting of small plates. That goes at the bottom of the big bowl. And then you got another small lid for the smaller bowl, which goes in next. Now what nests in this smaller bowl are these cups and bowls. And these cups and bowls nest into one another. So each one of them, you have an insulated cup that nests inside the bowl. And then you got a lid that allows you to sip out of or strain, whatever you want to do, mainly sip out of hot beverages. And in this particular one, I nest the universal handle for the skillet and the 2 pots that goes with this set. So that gets nested in the orange cup there, and you can put whatever cup you want. So these 4 go inside the small pot, then your small lid, put that down, then your big lid, get that all down, then your 8-inch skillet. It all fits in the wash basin, snaps in there, and then that goes into one of my 3 camping totes. But there you go, the GSI Bugaboo camp. That's what I use. That's what I'm going to continue to use until I find a better option. It seems to work out alright. I also accompany this in my camp kit with one 10-inch cast iron skillet that gives me the option to cook directly on a fire. But that's it. Right there, retails for $109 at REI or online. So there you go. Have a good one.